are going to start the new topic, that is microbial death and the growth of bacteria and microorganisms. Friends, mostly we are reading this topic in sterilization and pasteurization process. So I will give you the concepts, whatever the questions asked in the GATE examination and whatever the theory required for solving such problems. I will give you that only because I am considering that you have studied everything regarding the theoretical portion for your semester examinations. That at how much temperature pasteurization takes place, sterilization takes place, and what are the overall processes, diagrams. I will consider that everything you have studied for your semester examination. So friends, first of all you see that zero order reaction. Friends, zero order, I think all of you have studied in your intermediate regarding the chemical kinetics. There we have studied that in zero order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction and different type of reactions. So in the first case, you see that AF is equal to minus KT plus A naught. Friends, A naught is the initial amount of substance present, K is the rate constant, T is the time and AF is the final amount of substance present. And friends, this equation can be written in form of straight line equation. I think all of you know that straight line equation is equal to y equal to mx plus c. So you can correlate it with the straight line equation. You can get the slope, that is minus k. Friends, I wish all of you should simply remember this equation. And friends, now see the first order reaction. And friends, this is very important. So most of the questions has been asked from the first order reaction. So I wish all of you should read it very carefully. Friends, first order reaction is simply the integration of dA by A is equal to minus of K dt. When you integrate these terms, you can get your value that ln of AF divided by A naught is equal to minus KT. And you can write it in form of AF is equal to A naught into e to the power minus KT. Friends, these are the different ways to write the same equation. If you want to write it in terms of ln, means log base e, you can write it. And if you want to write it in terms of e to the power exponential factor, then you can write it by that way also. And friends, one more thing is here, that is T half. You see that T half is equal to ln 2 by K, means K is the rate constant. Friends, here how ln 2 has come. T half, I will tell you the half-life period of the substance. Friends, half-life period is simply the how much time the reaction has taken to reduce the substance to its half. Either reduce it to its half or increase it to its half. Means कोई substance है, suppose some microorganism is there, some bacteria are present, and if I want to kill those bacteria, suppose initially A naught amount of bacteria are present, and after time t, I see that the amount of bacteria is equal to A naught by 2. So when you are putting this in the first order reaction, that is, you see that is ln AF by A naught is equal to minus KT. When you are putting in place of AF, you put A naught by 2, then you can get the value, that is T half value, that is ln 2 by K. Means जब हमारा इनिशियली सब्सटेंस था वो A नॉट प्रेजेंट था, इनिशियली बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट था, वो टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ बैक्टीरिया था A नॉट था, और आफ्टर हीटिंग और आफ्टर पास्चराइजेशन और आफ्टर स्टेरिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस the final amount of bacteria is A naught by 2. When you are putting both the initial and final bacteria in the first order reaction, you can get the T half value, means half life period of the bacteria, and that is ln 2 by K. And friends, remember that half life period calculation for different order reactions are different, and we are using different formulas. So mostly we are considering the first order reaction, second order reaction and zero order reaction. And for agriculture engineering gate examination, you have to mostly focus on first order reaction, that is ln A by A naught is equal to minus kT. You see the middle formula, T half is equal to ln 2 by K. Friends, many places it is written that T half is equal to 0.693 by K, means 0.693 is the ln2 value, means when you put the value of ln2, that is 0.693. so that's only. Now friends, you see that here you can see that unit of K means rate is time inverse, means second inverse or minute inverse. जो हमारा rate होता है friends, you see here in the equation, that is log of C naught by C is the ratio, means it is unitless, and the K is inversely proportional to time. So you can simply know the unit of K, that is time inverse or second inverse. One more thing friends, you see here I have written the different ways to write the same thing. Means you see here first, you see that the conversion of log Ex is equal to 2.303 into log base 10x. Friends, many places we are confused here in this chapter that whether I will take log base 10x or either I will take ln x, means log base Ex. You have to be very careful about that, because many times we know everything, but due to our little bit confusion, minor mistakes, we are not able to solve the questions, and we solve the questions, but whatever the answers we are getting, that is totally wrong. So you should know this conversion. I think all of you have studied in your mathematics, but once again I will remind you. Now friends, you see here that log base At by A naught is equal to minus Kt. Friends, minus Kt. If you want to take the minus Kt in the LHS, it is equivalent to log base A naught by At is equal to Kt. Friends, you see here both these relations you see. If At by A naught, then it is minus Kt, and if it log base A naught by At, then it is plus Kt. So you should remember that whenever the case is of thermal death or sterilization or pasteurization process, then you simply know that the initially suppose an A naught amount of microorganisms present, but after pasteurization all of you know that it is used for killing the microorganisms. So after pasteurization the amount of microorganisms decreases, so the At value is always less than the A naught value. So I have written it in positive sign. You see here that you should clearly understand from here that जब हमारा A naught by At greater than 1 होगा तो हमारा ही log E का वैल्यू वो पॉजिटिव देगा. That's why I have written Kt, and when my At by A naught value less than 1 होगा, then it is negative, it will give negative value. That's why I have written minus Kt. So आपको ये चीज समझना है, when log base E में A naught At by A naught का वैल्यू लेस देन 1 होगा तो हमारा निगेटिव वैल्यू आता है. And friends, one more thing you see here, by using this conversion of log base E to the power log base 10, I have written at the bottom, you see that K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log base 10 A naught by At. And friends, I wish all of you should remember this formula. Friends, you see here that for I have told you previously that for thermal death of microorganisms, the n value is less than the n naught value, means जो हमारा final amount of microorganisms always less than the initial amount of microorganisms, because due to thermal death many microorganisms die, so my final microorganisms count is less than the initial count. That's why I have written here minus kt. If you write it like ln of n naught by n, then you have to write plus kt. मीन्स आपको ये डिफरेंस समझना है कि जब हम ln n by n naught लिखते हैं तो हमें माइनस kt लिखना है, और जब हम ln n naught by n लिखते हैं तब हमें प्लस kt लिखना है. एंड द choice to write is yours. You can write anything ln n naught by n, then you have to write plus kt, and ln n by n naught, then you have to write minus kt. The choice is yours. Whatever you can write, you will get the correct answer, means same answer you will get. You can try by yourself also. When you are solving the questions, you can try by yourself, you can recheck by yourself, so you can get the confidence in this. And friends, here the values are written. N naught is the amount of microorganisms present initially at time is equal to 0. N is the amount of microorganisms present after time t, and K is the first order rate constant for microorganisms. And friends, one more thing you see here. This is the case of thermal death of microorganisms. But many times, friends, the questions has been asked upon bacterial growth. Means here the death is taking place. Suppose initially n naught amount of microorganisms are present. After death, some microorganisms reduces. But here the bacterial growth means यहाँ पे increase हो रहा है. That's why if initially n naught amount of microorganisms are present, then finally the microorganisms are greater than n naught, means growth. They are growing, they are reproducing. And friends, you have studied many reactions like sterilization process, yeast formation, alcohol formation processes. In all those processes, we are growing the number of microorganisms. So in that cases, we are using this equation to solve the questions. And friends, here also you can write ln n by n naught and is equal to k into t2 minus t1. Friends, here you see that I have written ln n by n naught is equal to minus kt, because here the final amount of microorganisms are less. But in this equation, I have written ln n by n naught is equal to plus kt, means the final amount of microorganisms are greater than the initial amount of microorganisms. आपको ये डिफरेंस समझनी है. डेथ के केस में फाइनल इज लेस देन द इनिशियल, एंड ग्रोथ के केस में final is greater than the initial. So you have to understand this difference. After that, you are able to solve the questions very easily. Now friends, I will like to remove your one confusion. I have written all the unit conversion of formulas, so you can not be confused anywhere regarding whatever formula you want to remember, you will remember, and that formula is very useful and you can able to solve the questions. Friends, you see here that kt is equal to ln n naught by n is equal to n naught by, when I have put, I think all of you know that ln is log base e, means log base e. So when you write it like n naught by n is equal to e to the power kt, and it is also equal to n by n naught. Friends, you see that, you see here, initially I have written n naught by n is equal to e to the power kt, and after that I have written n by n naught is equal to e to the power minus kt. Friends, these all values are same. There is nothing difference between these all values. So I will like to remove your all the confusions regarding this, because many ways the formulas are different, are written in different ways. So you people are getting confusions there. So my motto is to clear all your doubts regarding these formulas. Friends, these all formulas are equal to each other. These all are equal. Whatever formula you want to remember, you can remember, and that is sufficient to solve the questions. And friends, in the second equation you see that Kt is equal to 2.303 log base 10 n naught by n. I have shown you the unit conversion from ln to log base 10, that is 2.303 you have to multiply, is equal to n naught by n is equal to 10 to the power Kt divided by 2.303. And here also n by n naught. Initially I have written n naught by n. Now I have written n by n naught is equal to 10 to the power minus Kt divided by 2.303. When I have converting the numerator and exchanging the numerator and denominator, then I have simply put the minus sign in the exponential factor, or 10 to the power minus Kt by 2.303 I will write. So you have to take care about that. And friends, now one more thing you should see, the generation time. Friends, generation time is the time required to divide or increase the population of cell. Means हमारा जो initially suppose cell होता है उसको अपन increase करने के लिए, means उसको कितना maximum number of times generate करने के लिए we are calculating the generation time. So it is denoted by G, and G is equal to T by N, where friends T is the time interval, means the total time. Suppose the total time T is given and it is N is the number of generations, means how many times the microorganisms and the bacteria will reproduce itself. So you should calculate both these values by using the equation. And now friends, another thing you see here, that is rate of growth of bacteria. Friends, it can be expressed in terms of n is equal to n naught into 2 to the power n, means small n. Where n is the number of bacteria at time t, n naught is the initial amount of bacteria, and t is the growth, is time of growth, and g is the generation time. So friends, you remember that many times questions has been asked upon the generation times. Means suppose initially some amount of bacteria are present, after that bacteria reproduce and start its growth. So means after some time the amount of bacteria given, suppose initially 2 bacteria are present, both the bacteria grow and it become 4, then after 8, then after 16, then after 32, then after 64, then after 120, like that growth happening, exponential growth happen in the bacteria. So you should remember that this formula for generation time, that is n is equal to n naught into 2 to the power t by g, where t is the total time, g is the generation time, and generation time is equal to total time by n, means n is the number of generations. So bacteria हमेशा हमारा डबल, फिर 4 टाइम्स, फिर 8 टाइम्स, फिर लाइक दैट मीन्स ग्रो करते हैं, वो हमेशा एक्सपोनेंशियली ग्रो करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर अबाउट दिस. And friends, now see the question. Friends, it is not a question, it is just a derivation of half-life period of the substances. You see here that this is the first order reaction, and it is written that ln C by C naught is equal to minus Kt, ln C naught by C is equal to plus Kt. And final, initially the C naught value is, initially the at time t is equal to 0 the value is C naught, and after time t the value is reduced to half, that is C naught by 2. So you see here that ln 2 C naught cancel, ln 2 is equal to Kt half, means T half is equal to ln 2 by K is equal to 0.693 by K. Whatever the I have told you in the starting of this lecture, that only you can see here. This is the formula for calculation of half-life period. And friends, this is the first lecture, and after that we will cover all this topic in 3-4 lectures. I will cover all the previous year questions asked regarding this topic. So friends, subscribe our channel, and because your subscriptions will motivate it, and share it to all the students who are preparing for GATE examination. So thank you, that's all friends.